So the interface is Windows based. You have your reference, home page on everything, manual bending, feed, forward, backwards, rotation, forwards, backwards, bending, your 3 stacks, left and right and up and down. Program, you're able to import your files, either DXF, step files, STL, but you can find, different files, upload them in, they'll show them. You can run simulation on it to make sure that there's no collisions. So then make any adjustments to your program or anything like that. Roll bending manually. You can set your X, R, and radius diameter. Then also for your spring back and test bends, you can do a 90-degree bend, then put what actual result is for different material types, and make your adjustments, as well as tool station changes, as well as roll bending. There's no value needed, but then you can send that to your PLC or to your program. Your alarm page, lubrication page, manual or automatic. Different retina memory, so if you have any changes that are saved throughout. Then sensors that are all open, which ones are set at. Different reports, you can email it to yourself, supervisor, or anything like that. Notes that you've put in. Parameter page, which I'm not logged into. And then the master, which I'm not logged into also, but pretty simple. For your, bending, rotation, feed, and then you have your horizontal, and stack.
Yeah, nice, strong. Works at Fab Tech 2020.